Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a frustrating problem that many of us gamers have faced at some point. Picture this, you're in the middle of an intense gaming session, and every time you try to click your mouse, your camera suddenly jerks 45 degrees to the right. Talk about a major problem, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. The key insight here is that the culprit behind this strange behavior isn't your laptop or any software malfunction here. It's actually your mouse hardware causing the trouble. So, after some investigating, it turns out that the middle click on your mouse is the real troublemaker here. By borrowing a friend's mouse and noticing that everything works fine with it, we've pinpointed the root cause of the problem. Solution aside, let's summarize what we've learned today. If you're experiencing unexpected camera rotations in your games and erratic mouse behavior, it might not be a software glitch or a virus. Your mouse hardware could be the real issue. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So, if you've been pulling your hair out over this problem, try swapping out your mouse and see if that does the trick. Now, it's time to say goodbye, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy gaming.